40?
Yeah. I got one amp that's like so hot you could cook an egg on it right now, so I'm letting them cool off for a bit.
Floating 40?
Yeah. I got one amp that's like so hot you could cook an egg on it right now, so I'm letting them cool off for a bit.
Fine,
Yeah, I'm gonna be demoing here soon.
All right. You gonna give me a rundown real quick what else in here?
Yeah, so we've got 12 DD 3500 12s. On right now on one DDM5, they were on two. I've got CES 320 amp alt and 6 of the Group 34 full throttles in the trunk. So it's only on half power right now, but we want to go ahead and switch from the 2 7Ks up to 4 Sound Digital 8Ks. Be a little more efficient.
There you go. Yeah.
3 subs per amp should get some more power out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's solid.
Yeah, I'd like to go through and just add another layer of wood to kind of even out with this, because I'm starting to get a little bit of flex right here, but it's still pretty solid.
Okay. Wow. What's it tuned to, your peak?
So it peaks around mid-30s. I'm not sure what it's tuned at right now where there's no port.
Yeah.
But what we want to do is come down here and come up on the bottom to do the port.
Okay, so
and
like
then
a fine-tuned port?
Yeah, and do a trim all the way across and then just wrap B-pillar to B-pillar.
Awesome. All right. Appreciate the info, man.
Yeah, thanks,
I'll
man.
get you demo in a little bit. What was your name?
Drew.
Drew. All right.
Thanks, man.
Yep. This amp was not earlier. Did I kick him out?
No, I mean, he's just chilling with me, but I told him you were getting a video.
Okay.
If you want to leave that door open, though, it'll be better for whatever reason. seeing 400 watts a piece, so they're barely moving.
That's what I'm saying, is efficient. You're really low power and you're really efficient still. Because these, what are these studs rated at?
The 2500.
Yeah, definitely. And this one isn't moving because there's different chambers.
Well, that one's not moving because the motor's shifted. So I actually have to get that one replaced.
Okay,
but where the
gotcha.
cone doesn't move, it doesn't affect the airspace, so I just unplugged it and left it screwed in there. So
okay.
it
That's a good
plays
idea.
like normal, yeah.
Awesome.
But once I get that one replaced and get them on 4 8Ks, 3 per amp, I think it should stay about as efficient but be a lot more power.
Yep, got it. Wow, awesome.
Well,
thanks for the quick demo, man. Yeah, I
thanks,
wanted
man.
to stop by. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you, man.
Yep. Thank you. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.